Look at these little beauties. It's alright, baby. Yeah, little chicks everywhere. Look, how beautiful is that? And the swans don't seem to be bothered that you're near the young. Absolutely beautiful. People are out there having fun. I'm over there. How lovely is that? Just seeing if they got Wi-Fi. I'm having trouble with uploading. I'm just getting a few shots as we're walking around the lake. I'm over there. Lovely little place, mate. Absolutely spot on, Richard. There's a bird hide. I think they're bird hides anyway. Down there. Look at the colours. That's a shot right there. Well, we're going down there, but little walkways. I don't know what's down here. That's how the butchers. Yeah. Even little fishing platforms around here. How beautiful. Nice to hear. Benches everywhere. You don't get that in Northampton. They had to take the benches up because people were sleeping on them. Fuck's sake, man. You've got an aerator there. Aerating the water. Lovely fishing platforms, look. Oh, look, we found a baby. Taking no notice of me. How beautiful is that? Oh, little bays, look. And what's amazing is no fishermen as yet. That leads you out onto the main road. Oh, well, look. Well, there's my camper. Look at that for extreme beauty. So you got that one there we're just been in. Is this another one? I don't know. Look at this. It's pure beauty. It's a bit overcast, but it's not cold at all. At all. Look at the colours. You can almost smell them. Wow. There's a little mini pond. How beautiful is that? I wonder what that's all about then. Spot and a half to find, eh? And here we go round onto the track where you can park. Don't know if you can see the steepness of that little road up there. Wow, how lovely. Let's have a look round. And this is how you get into this place. The parking around the lake is all free. There are prime spots. Sorry, got cars going past, but there are prime spots that I'll show you how it works, because it seems a bit weird to me. If you're parking up round here, you park in the middle of the road. So the traffic can pass you on the right, and the push bikes and walkers can pass you on the left. So you park in the middle of the road. As you should be able to see from here. Traffic on the outside on the right, cyclists on the left, and you park in the middle. So if you're interested, I mean, and what is a good idea? Look, pick up after your dog. They even supply bags. Look at this for some fishing spots too. There's a lily pad just down there as well, boy. It looks a moody old day, but it is absolutely beautiful. Absolutely lovely. I think there's people in that box up, but we'll have a look. There's also little walk-offs like this. It's what, about a 10-minute walk around the lake, if that. Fantastic, mate. Absolutely fantastic. So you can park anywhere in the middle there, in the middle track, as you'll see with this, where this van's parked. And this is free. I suppose you get a little bit of traffic around here, but mate, how beautiful. There's no other road noise or anything, and if you haven't been, it's well worth the trip. A couple of nights with ease. I mean, look at this, look. Anyway, I'm going to get back to the van and have a nice cup of tea, and I might have a bit of breakfast. Eggs on toast might be, it might be the one. Look at that for a go. See, there's a car just pulled up now, look. That's where you park overnight. Straight in the middle. They seem to come all the way down here, mate, look. Lovely benches. Yeah, another platform, another viewing platform. See, park up in the middle. Don't get that. I don't know. It just seems strange to me, but I can see gravel beds. Drops off deep, look at that. trees. Not one fisherman on the lake, mate. You know, beautiful. Another platform. Gotta go down and have a look. Yeah, see, you get 4 platforms down one side, mate. And there's another one there. How fantastic was that for a walk, people? It's worth coming to have a night or two here. You know, you may be on your way to somewhere else, and it's well worth a look at. But I will warn you, the internet, there's no Wi-Fi in the cafe because there's no Wi-Fi. The signal is very poor up here. I'm getting 4G, but mostly a dot. But I'm managing to watch YouTube, so it's just the uploading videos that I'm struggling with. But that's it. I mean, look, you can park here if you want to be amongst the trees with benches. There's another walkway off through there. And the facilities are second to none, mate. Well done, Wales, mate. Well done, the Welsh. Beautiful people and a beautiful country. I don't know what that is. Lovely walk though. There's another walkway over here. I don't know where they go, but if you're here for a couple of days, I mean, there's plenty of things to do. Cafe's a little bit expensive, but yeah, you don't have to use it, do you? We're just coming back down to where the van is. Hope you've enjoyed this one, and if you have, please give us a thumbs up, a comment or something. Show me you're alive. And remember, always, it's free to subscribe. Free. Don't cost you now, mate. Free. Well, it just keeps on giving. I mean, look at that. And I'm a nosy bugger, so I've got to see what the plaque says before we go. I don't know if you're going to make that out, but beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. See you soon on the next one. Beautiful park up. The end. Good afternoon, my lovelies. How are you? We're on the move again. I'll put a bit of a map up either here or at the end. We've come over by Aberystwyth. And I'll just show you that where we are. You can see the sea. Can you see between the valley there? Hang about. That's not good enough, is it? Let me get a good shot of the area for you. It's beautiful. Nothing at all about. Let's have a spin round.